Professional-grade carbon steel is extra thick and durable and conducts heat well. Requires a bit of maintenance after washing. Can be used on a gas or charcoal grill, on the stovetop, or in the oven. Ideal for serving 4 to 6 people. Informative pamphlet with each pan, which contains 2 recipes and tips for perfect paella. Authentic paella pan, made in Spain. Serves 4 to 6 people. This 16, 40 cm Pata Negra paella pan is great for beginning paella cooks and fits well over most large standard burners. It also fits in the oven and can be used on all types of grills. Pata Negra is a professional quality paella pan made from an extra thick and heavy-duty grade of carbon steel. It's a good choice for restaurant kitchens, or for home cooks who expect to give their pan a good workout. As with any carbon steel pans, these pans requires a bit of care. You must dry the pan right after washing it and then rub the inside with a little vegetable oil to prevent rusting. If the pan does ever rust, a few passes with steel wool takes it right off. The pan comes with an informative pamphlet with each pan, which contains 2 recipes, our tips for perfect paella, and care instructions. Pan dimensions. Bottom diameter, 14, top diameter, 16.25, diameter with handles, 20.5, depth, outside, 2. Please note, this paella pan does not have a perfectly flat bottom, therefore, it may not be ideal for induction or ceramic stovetops. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic pan. I used to use a stainless steel 16 paella pan. Made paella about 10 times, all of them less than ideal. Some attempts went to the dog. Trouble with burnt sokarat, mushy and crunchy rice in the pan at the same time. Switched to this pan and all that resolved. This pan has a very heavy thick bottom. I cook over the 2 side burners and turn the pot a little every 30 seconds or so, same as I did with the other. This cooked way more evenly, the rice is uniform, and good sokarat on first attempt. A game changer. Fantastic. 16 pan serves 8 people, or 3 people with a couple days of leftovers in my case.